What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today I am going to be showing you another Easter craft making technique. We are going to be making these surprise Easter egg cards. And you open them up, boom, there is a little chick inside, and the beak also moves as well. So what were you all waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, creatives? How are we all doing? Hope we have all had a good week. My name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading how-to videos every week and also art therapy videos on a Wednesday as well. I also have a RedBubble Store as well. All the links for that are in the description below. I also have an Amazon store as well where I am selling and publishing my own books at the moment. We have my colouring book, my Mandela Positive Vibe colouring book. We have going on my store at the moment. I also have a dot marker Easter colouring book for kids aged 2 to 5 as well, and also notebooks on my store too. All the links for those are in the description below. So today we are going to be making the Easter egg pop-up card with the chick inside with its mouth opening. Now, if you don't want to be making one with this as well, I'm going to be showing you how to make this in the video. But if you don't want to make one with the chick inside, you can just make an ordinary one too. It's still the same, but with inside, it's just, boom, just a drawing inside. Now, you can have an Easter rabbit, you can do a chick inside. You can even have Happy Easter inside as well. So what we were waiting for, folks, let's get down to it. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the show, I have the RedBubble Store at the moment. I have quite a lot of products on there at the moment. I also have sticker pack collections as well. Very cute sticker packs. There's also a Easter pack collection as well with Easter bunnies, glasses, things like that on there. For this week, we are doing a 15% discount. All you need to do is on checkout, put the code MAGIC15. That's MAGIC15 onto your checkout, and you'll get a 15% discount. All the links for my RedBubble Store and my Amazon Marketplace are in the description below. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.